Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So we got a red bar yesterday that pretty much as a result of the Fed minutes. Always amazes me that clearly we don't listen when the Feds have their speech and we wait for the minutes, which just basically confirms what was in the speech, and then everybody panics. So that's pretty much what transpired yesterday. We did get our 3400. So we'll get there on the lower time frames, but we definitely did tag that area and then sold off. I'm still looking for areas to buy. This area that we're in here, I've got three levels drawn in, but chaotic at the moment. We'll get there on the lower time frames. Starting off with a 3 hour. So these levels here are pretty much daily levels. Okay, so this is the previous swing highs on the daily time frame and levels on the daily. So all three of these are valid. So the first one obviously lines up with the 3 hour inside tail here, also with this previous low here. So that's definitely the first area. Markets have just opened in Europe. We are running a bit late this morning, but the situation that we see here, nothing conducive for an entry at the moment. I'm actually more interested in these two areas to the bottom. So 33.42 and 33.32. Those are the two levels that I'm looking at. Now, the reason for that, if I go onto the daily, you'll see the red line here is the previous inside bar. We are flirting with this inside bar at the moment, but the fact is that we've broken below it. Okay, so it is an area that could offer some support, but I think this bottom area here is what we're looking for. So just coming down to the hour, you'll see a pretty big sell-off and didn't really recover from it, and took out quite a bit of gains over the past couple of weeks. So looking to the left, you can see what these two levels mean. So you can see the interaction around here, and technically we did not test this area. So this 32.42, we flirted with it here, but we didn't break out, come back and test it. So that's kind of the setup that I'm looking for at the moment. So I'm expecting Europe to be sort of probably a meander down, and then we're looking in this area 33, 32 and 33.42. Those are the areas that I'm looking to see what the buyers do. If we do get below that, it would be wise just not to chase the short, but wait for the confirmation. So that could determine whether we are going to move back to the downside. Okay, so there's another little level here, which is on the hour, just 33.21. And you can see the hour bars here, all these tails. That was an area that was used as support, so that would be another area. Okay, this kind of price action we see here is clearly not what we're looking for. And if we come down to the 15 minutes, I think let's use the opportunity while we have it. We've got one inside bar, not off the level, below the level. So I want to see price action on the level. At the moment, there is nothing there. We do have this little trend line break. I hope you can see that. So there is our trend line. We've broken out. We haven't quite tested it yet. So this is kind of in no man's land at the moment. We are around about a level. If we get some decent price action, I'll definitely be buying at this area here. But we're going to wait for another 55 minutes still. We'll wait till after 9 when Europe really opens before we start committing to anything. Okay, so that's basically my plan of action today. 33.55 offers some value, 33.42 offers some value, 33.32 offers some value, and if we get through all of that, then 33.21 would offer a little bit of value. But that is my plan of action at the moment. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.